Good morning, students. Today I will start with the writing section, and in the writing section today I will tell you about how to write letter of complaint. Now, letter of complaint we are mostly writing when we have to complain about some of the issues or problems which we are facing. It can be anything we have purchased and which is not working properly, or it can be about your locality. Maybe you are facing some difficulties in your locality. Maybe the street lights are not working properly, or maybe there are problems with stray dogs, or maybe the garbages are not disposed properly. Okay, or maybe uh, if you are admitted in any of the hospitals and the hospitals staff is not taking care of you properly. So there are a lot of issues or problems where we can write this complaint letter. Okay, so let's start with the format of the complaint letter, how to write the complaint letter. Okay, so first see here the address given or the examination hall. Okay, because sometimes when the question is coming you are writing from the examination hall, so that time you can write examination hall also if the address is not given. But if the address is mentioned in your question paper or in your question, then you have to write the address given, and the address given here is the sender's address. Okay, and then the date. Now one more thing, students, I can tell you, you should leave one line in between. Okay, जैसे कि यहाँ पे एड्रेस गिवन और डेट के बीच में आप एक लाइन छोड़ेंगे. दैट विल मेक योर लेटर मोर नीट एंड क्लीन. ओके, and that will easy for the teacher to understand also. So date, then you will write date, then date के बाद the manager, name of the company or agency and address. This is the receiver's address. Okay, जिनको हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं. So receiver's address, sometimes the address, receiver's address is mentioned in the question or sometimes not. So if it is not mentioned, then you have to create your own address. Okay, then the salutation, that is dear sir or madam. Then the subject, whatever the subject for which you are writing the letter, so that subject should be very clear subject. Then next is the body of the letter or the content of the letter. So the body or the content is divided here into three parts. You can see that will make your letter more clear. Okay. So first is paragraph 1, that is when, if you have purchased, suppose for example if you have purchased a mobile phone. Okay, so here you have to write when you have purchased the mobile phone, then from where you have purchased the mobile phone, and what is the model name or brand name. Okay, so that you will mention. Then the bill number, because the bill number is already given because you have already taken the receipt. So bill number or the receipt number. Then paragraph 2 में अबाउट द टेक्निकल कंप्लेंट. अगर आपने मोबाइल ख़रीदा तो आपके मोबाइल में क्या टेक्निकल फॉल्ट क्या है जिसके लिए आप मोबाइल को रिटर्न करना चाहता है या मोबाइल के शॉप में आप कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द कंप्लेंट, टेक्निकल फॉल्ट क्या क्या है उसमें, वो टेक्निकल फॉल्ट आपको बतानी है. एंड देन पैराग्राफ 3 में आपको लिखना है सिंस the item which you have purchased, suppose the mobile, since the mobile, and you have to write the brand name. Okay, is under warranty, so kindly replace it within 15 or 20 days. आप 20 दिन में 15 दिन में ये रिटर्न कर दीजिए. और अगर आप नहीं करते हैं, मीन्स अगर whatever the shop is not going to do, so then you can go to the consumer court, so that you can write. Okay, and then next is the salutation, that is yours faithfully, and then name, and if you are having some designation, so you can write the designation also. Okay, so this is about the format. Already I have given you the placing order letter, the format of placing order letter also. So this is my second video, so about the writing in writing section. So this is the format of letter of complaint. Okay, so I hope you have understood the format. Okay, and now you can easily write the complaint letter. So thank you and have a nice day.